Veterans reentering civilian life face many challenges, including finding a job. Hi, I'm Montel Williams. Welcome to this edition of Military Makeover Operation Career. Today, inspirational stories of former servicemen and women who have reinvented themselves and are thriving in companies who value their unique skills. The Merrill Institute, a division of Merrill Technologies Group, offers comprehensive vocational training, specialized support, and industry connections. It's an ideal career move for veterans seeking a seamless transition into high-demand job opportunities in welding and fabrication.
My name is Ryan Crum.
My name's Kellen Ritter.
My name's Jason North. I'm the director of the Merrill Institute.
The Merrill Institute addresses a national shortage of 250,000 welding jobs. Remarkably, 97% of program graduates secure immediate employment.
The Merrill Institute is a trade school. We're an AWS welding program. We started the school back in 2011. We've trained 500 students through our program with a 97% employment rate. Out of the 500 students, we roughly have about 92 veterans that attended our program as well. The driving force behind the Merrill Institute was ultimately that we were not finding enough skilled welders to accommodate our growth within our company. A lot of other companies were suffering the same thing, just a skilled welder shortage throughout our entire country. So we decided to take it upon ourselves, and we started our own trade school, and it's been very, very beneficial for us, and along with a lot of other companies too. And we basically put the Merrill Institute right inside a live manufacturing facility.
So I figured if I can learn the knowledge behind welding and, perfect my skill, I'll be really good at it. And I Googled Merrill Institute and kind of Googled best welding schools in Michigan, and Merrill Institute popped up, and I did more research into it and, try to see if they accept the GI Bill and ways I can use my GI Bill. And of course they did. And it was pretty simple from then on out.
I tried the Merrill Institute, and the professors here, the instructors, they were really spot on. They knew the material, they knew beyond the material, they knew the job itself and the industry inside and out. So it's able to give you a really good snapshot of what it's going to be like when you get out of the school and go to work in the industry.
I've been in the industry now for 31 years, and I can honestly say right now that I've never seen the demand for skilled welders higher than it is right now. The industry is just booming, and I see the welding field being very viable for many, many years to come. A lot of the work that we have right now is with the Department of Defense. So we do a lot of military, ground combat. We're getting pretty heavy into doing submarine components, missile defense systems. So a good portion of Merrill's work is defense work.
I am working on a project that holds ballistic doors, and they go on battleships. We basically complete the framework to hold these doors in to kind of hold a missile from being launched out. So that kind of helps protect our country, and I still kind of, get to serve in a way being here at Merrill Technologies.
We're working on a project for nuclear submarines, different parts and components for those and for the assembly of those. So that's pretty much the neatest thing I've got going right now.
Learning welding and fabrication at Merrill Institute offers not only a path to a lifelong career, but also the fulfillment of contributing to national defense, a poignant memory for these veterans.
I wanted to be a vet tech. I don't see myself going anywhere in college, and I kind of need to turn my life around. And so one day I kind of went home to my parents like, hey, I've been listening to the United States Marine Corps, and that was the hardest branch around. So that's why I chose Marine Corps.
I was 23 years old when I joined the Army. I was an infantryman. I deployed to Afghanistan between 2009 and 2010.
The Merrill Institute enthusiastically supports veterans by applying military values to its dynamic welding program, ensuring a smoother transition to civilian life and leveraging their skills for success.
When we see an applicant has veteran status, we know that person already has very good core values: honor, courage, commitment, These are all things that are very, very important to our business too, as we have our core values: teamwork, integrity, commitment, excellence.
It's a great field to get into, and if you take this course, I mean, it gives you a great solid foundation to get started in the industry. They do a wonderful job of giving you the tools needed to start a career in welding and fabrication.
Merrill Institute. Weld the way to your future.